टोल पास करते ही डाइवर्जन, विच इज नॉट अ गुड साइन. अगेन अ डाइवर्जन, अगेन अ डाइवर्जन. नो, क्या हो रहा है आज? एंड फिर से डाइवर्जन. लेट्स काउंट इट. दिस इज द फोर्थ डाइवर्जन एंड फिफ्थ डाइवर्जन. वाव. शुभ सकाळ मित्रांनो, वेलकम टू माय चॅनल. Starting the vlog right off the bat in Marathi because I'm in Kolhapur, ought to be in Marathi. It's 7:15 a.m. and I just checked out of my hotel. The bike is ready there behind me, all loaded up. So we are heading to Goa today. Goa is around 200 kilometers. तो मुझे लगने चाहिए 5 से 6 घंटे given the road conditions. Just enjoy the ride, have a good day. We are going to meet a lot of riders today on the road. There are a lot of riders that are riding from Kolhapur itself. So I met some of them. Some of them are staying in this hotel itself. They are from Delhi and yeah. So let's go. I'll see you on the bike. Let's have an amazing day. All warmed up, luggage loaded, not missing anything. I hope so. Let's go. So that is Triumph Kolhapur, and I did meet some good people, good riders there who are going to be starting to Goa today. So we are going to encounter a lot of riders today, given that tomorrow is IBW. People have already started their rides. If you follow the India Bike Week official Instagram page, you can actually see how many people are riding to Goa and how big this year's event is going to be. I'm super excited for the same. And to my right is Shivaji University. I don't know if you can see it properly. This is where I passed my, this is where I did my graduation from. So we have connected to National Highway 4, that is the Pune-Bangalore highway. So when I met yesterday people at Triumph and Kawasaki, they said that the road from Azra to Amboli is still under construction and it's very bad. So the one way, I mean the going way is bad. The coming way is done. Obviously we can't go on the wrong, can't ride on the wrong side. यहाँ से चलेंगे गडिंगलज, गडिंगलज से चलेंगे चंदगढ़, चंदगढ़ से हम राइट मार के चलेंगे अम्बोली, अम्बोली घाट उतर के सावंतवाड़ी and then Goa. So as you can see, NH4 road is quite nice. In a while actually we'll be entering Karnataka after Kagal. So I guess this is the only good patch that you will get before leaving the main NH4 and turning towards Gadhinglaj. This is where Maharashtra ends and we have officially entered Karnataka. So there will be a toll naka here in front. दिन का पहला टोल नाका, which is Kognoli. रहा द फेमस होटल गोवा वेज. वेज का स्पेलिंग चेंज कर दिया गया है, नोटिस. यहाँ से लेंगे हम राइट. ओ हम भरेंगे फ्यूल. एक्चुअली है बट आई डोंट नो आगे कितने पंप्स है, तो भर लेंगे. यहाँ 95 है. 95 आहे पेट्रोल. कॉन्टेंट दिला तुम्ही मला एकदम. डेन्सिटी नाही होता. दीदी काकू म्हणा लागलोय मी. दीदी दीदी फुल करा. पंप आहेत काय रस्त्याला? ये तो पूरा फन हो गया सवेरे सवेरे. मैं एक्चुअली अंदर गया, मैं पहले आंटी बोला फिर दीदी बोला, तो पूरे सारे अच्छा लगा देख के कि एक फ्यूल पंप पे सारा फीमेल स्टाफ. तो गोवा वे से इन आते बराबर अपने को गडिंग्लज जाना है, जो कि अभी भी और 16 किलोमीटर है यहाँ से. I've reached Gadhinglaj. A point A is nearly done. अब जाएंगे गडिंग्लज चंडगढ़ रोड. Chandghad is around 46 kilometers from here. It's saying I'll reach there by 10 o'clock. But I guess उससे पहले कुछ खा लेते हैं या फिर चाय तो पी लेते हैं भाई, भूख लगी है. तो रोड तो काफ़ी बढ़िया है गडिंग्लज चंडगढ़ वाला, और सीनिक है, चारों तरफ ग्रीनरी. चाय का है तो ये होटल मिला है पाटिल स्नैक्स एंड कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स. क्विक ब्रेक. आई एम नियरली आई थिंक सो 60 kilometers done from Kolhapur and having my favorite thing misal, which I'll show you in a bit. Done eating, now tea time. So met some nice people here. Done with my breakfast. भेटू परत. Done with my breakfast. Let's go. Let's hit the road. Time update. It's 9:46 a.m. and we are 27 kilometers away from Chandghad, from where we will take a diversion towards Amboli. The roads have been awesome till now. So sun is finally out. Savere se cloudy. Have reached Chandghad and now we are headed towards Amboli, which is around 30 kilometers है यहाँ से. Roads from Chandghad to Amboli are not as good as what we rode on from Gadhinglaj to Chandghad. So, I mean, you can keep a speed of 40 to 50, but you can't really, push the bike because we are entering सिंधुदुर्ग जिला. So जब last time मैं आया था Amboli, I don't remember seeing all this hotels, some bungalows. The roads have been much better since the last time I came here. And what I remember, if y'all might not know, there's a famous waterfall in Amboli during rainy season. It's quite a big waterfall, and we are in Amboli Ghat. If you see towards your right, there it is, Amboli Ghat. Like my feelings having no choice, and every time I hear your voice, I hope you loved those drone shots. Actually, a police fellow came and he asked me कि क्या कर रहे हो, drone क्यों उड़ा रहे हो यहाँ and all. I don't know. You have seen the place. It's only ghats. But he was like मत उड़ाओ and I had to land it off, back it off in front of him. फिर बाद में ही वो उसके बाद ही निकला. तो but I guess I got some good shots. I hope you love it. Let's have some tea and then let's continue the journey. तो कुछ ऐसा फील होता है अंबोली घाट में से राइड करते टाइम. काफ़ी छोटा रोड है. यू नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल हियर, क्योंकि एक साइड तो देख ही सकते हो कुछ भी नहीं है. सो देयर इज़ वन प्लेस जहाँ हम हमेशा रुका करते थे चाय नॉल पीने के लिए. एक्चुअली मैं पीछे चाय नहीं पिया. आई एम थिंकिंग आई विल वेट एट दैट प्लेस वेयर हमेशा रुका करते थे, बीच में वाटरफॉल्स के पास. Spent an hour at Amboli actually, met some riders, फोटोज़ खींचने लगे, बात करने लगे. तेलंगाना के राइडर्स या हैदराबाद के राइडर्स थे. तो 1 घंटा कैसा गया पता नहीं चला. वी आर लैगिंग बिहाइंड. इट्स 12 o'clock. घाट के कुछ रोड्स अच्छे हैं, कुछ रोड्स बीच में ही बड़े बड़े पॉटहोल्स हैं. तो एनीवन कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस वे प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट यू आर अलर्ट. We have just crossed a village called Danoli, which is before Sawantwadi. I suppose we have exited the ghat. I did not see the board anywhere saying ghat समाप्त. एक होटल है जिसका नाम है महालक्ष्मी खानावड़. That's basically a mess. तो anybody who is passing through Sawantwadi to Goa, mandatory stop है for seafood lovers. अगर सी फूड पसंद है प्लीज़ ट्राई द प्लेस आउट. इट्स एन ऑसम प्लेस. चिकन मटन भी सही सही मिल जाता है, बट इट्स फेमस, मोस्टली फेमस फॉर सी फूड. दैट शुड बी दिस वन. दिस इज महालक्ष्मी खानावड़. एवर पास बाय हियर, मेक श्योर दैट यू स्टॉप वंस एंड ईट. We have reached Sawantwadi. Sawantwadi bus stand is on my right, which you can see here. And to my right is the famous Sawantwadi lake. शाम में मज़ा आता है यहाँ बैठने के लिए. हम लोग आते थे जब गोवा, तो स्टॉप लेके 10-15 मिनट बैठ के चले जाते थे शाम में. वी हैव कम टू सावंतवाड़ी बाईपास आई गेस. फ्रॉम हियर वी टेक अ लेफ्ट. तो कम ऑन सावंतवाड़ी बाईपास. यहाँ से अपना होटल है 41 किलोमीटर्स. and Maharashtra checkpost. So Maharashtra ends here. So a little work going on before Goa. Bad roads and एडवेंचर मोटरसाइकिल का यही फ़ायदा है भाई. 1.4 किलोमीटर्स 1.2 किलोमीटर्स हमारे होटल से. देखते हैं होटल कैसा है. रिव्यूज़ तो अच्छे ही थे. आई होप पार्किंग का इशू ना हो बस. और अपना होटल कहीं लेफ़्ट पे बता रहा है. पता नहीं एंट्री कहाँ से है. ये रहा IB स्टाइल. guys, finally I've made it to the hotel. I just checked in. I'm tired as hell. I don't know, but that Hyderabad, Kolhapur was not tiring as much as what I did from Kolhapur to Goa, which was half the distance because maybe the roads were bad. There's a ghat in place. So, but the ride was awesome. I've met a lot of riders. We are going to have a blast tomorrow. But before ending the vlog, as always, room tour is a mandate. A small but nice room. Check it out. The door you enter from, where I've kept my riding jacket, a small place to keep your luggage. Most important place in the room, the washroom, which is way too clean. The basin, the WC, the shower. That's me. This door opens to another room which is locked. That's the bed. I've already made up a mess here. That's my helmet, a small place to sit here. The room is quite, cozy. And then you have the gallery here, which opens to a construction that's going on, and there's a swimming pool down. Hotel that I'm staying in is called as IB Style Swagato. They have one more branch at Kalangut. The hotel has just recently opened up, 2 months old. Nice place, I loved it. As always, ride hard, ride safe, always wear a helmet. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye, take care.